What's up, everyone? If you've ever wanted to learn programming but thought it was too hard, this video is for you. The truth is, coding isn't just for geniuses or tech experts. Anyone can learn it, including you. All you need is the right mindset, some patience, and a little daily practice. So first off, what even is programming? Programming is basically giving instructions to a computer so it knows what to do. Every app, website, and game you use today was built with code. From social media apps to AI tools, programming is behind almost everything in the digital world. Now, if you're a complete beginner, don't try learning 5 programming languages at once. That's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Start with one language, and honestly, Python is probably the easiest language to begin with, because the code looks simple and clean. To start coding, you'll need a code editor. A lot of beginners use Visual Studio Code because it's free and beginner-friendly. You can also use Replit.com if you want to code directly in your browser without downloading anything. When you begin learning, focus on the basics first. Variables, loops, functions, conditions, arrays. These are the building blocks of programming. Once you understand them, coding starts making way more sense. And here's something important. Stop watching endless tutorials without practicing. A lot of people spend months watching coding videos, but never actually write code themselves. The fastest way to improve is by building small projects. For example, you can make a calculator app, a simple game, a personal website, a to-do list. Even tiny projects teach you real coding skills. Also, don't freak out when you see errors on your screen. Every programmer deals with bugs and mistakes. Seriously, even professional developers spend hours fixing code sometimes. Errors are just part of the process. If you want free places to learn coding, check out freecodecamp.org, w3schools.com, and codecademy.com. These websites are great for beginners and easy to follow. And remember this, you do not need an expensive setup to start programming. A basic laptop and internet connection are enough. What matters most is consistency. Practice a little every day, keep building projects, and your skills will improve over time. So if you've been thinking about learning programming, start today. Your first line of code could be the beginning of an amazing career in tech. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more coding and tech videos.